Hi all, we're going to start a new series on Vedic Mathematics. So as a part 1 we are going to do a birthday prediction. So for that first we have to ask the person to remember the birthday month. So in our case, in this particular case, I'm going to consider the month as 12th, which is December. So the value will be 12. So first we have to multiply it by 2. So the answer is 24. Now we have to add 5 to it. We'll be getting 29 as answer. Now let's multiply 29 by 5. We'll be getting 145. Now we have to append a 0 or multiply 10 to it, and we'll be getting 1450 as the answer. Now we have to ask them to add the birthday. So I'm going to consider here 31st as the birthday. So this 31 will be added to this number, which will end as 1481. Now with this number we should be able to find out the birthday. So for that the trick lies here. So we have to subtract 50 from the last 2 digits, so that we'll be getting 31, and rest of the numbers, whatever is there, we have to just subtract 2 from it, and we'll be getting 12. So from here we can see that the first 2 digits represents the month, which is December, and the last 2 digits represent the date, which is 31st. So in this way we'll be able to easily predict a person's birthday. Thank you.